Hello and welcome to another Science Revision video. Now in this video we're going to look at plant mineral requirements. Now you probably know about photosynthesis. You know that plants can produce their own food using carbon dioxide and water and light energy, but that's not all they require. They also require minerals. So for healthy growth, plants need certain minerals. Now if you are a farmer or work in gardening, whatever, you know that you need to have fertilizers, and these fertilizers add minerals to the soil. So when a farmer puts a fertilizer onto his soil, he is adding minerals that plants need. Now there are two sorts. First of all, the farmer may put on there natural fertilizer, and these can be dead plant animal remains and also organic waste. If you've got a compost heap in your garden, then what you're doing there, you're preparing natural fertilizer. Now that's all well and good, but sometimes for a farmer it's not quick enough, so he may use what are called artificial or manufactured fertilizers. And these are made in factories from chemicals. They're much more expensive, but in some ways they're much more effective. So what does a plant need? Well, a plant will need nitrogen. Now this is taken in the form of nitrates, and this is needed for proteins, and proteins are needed for growth of stems and leaves. Phosphorus will be taken in the form of phosphates, and phosphorus is needed for healthy root growth. Potassium is needed for healthy leaves from flowers. Calcium is needed for healthy growth of new stems, and lastly magnesium is involved in making chlorophyll as part of the chlorophyll molecule. Now what the farmer or the gardener will do is they'll have a look at their plants, and if they can see their plants, the roots perhaps are not as good strong as it should be, they'd perhaps put in more phosphorus. Or say the leaves are looking as though they've got weak stems, maybe put in more calcium. So you can see by altering the elements and minerals you give the plants, you can affect their health. Now lastly, what a farmer will do, a farmer might order a fertilizer. So here is a bag of fertilizer. Now if you look at one of these bags, you'll see three symbols, N, P, K. Now what these stand for are the elements nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So what the farmer can do, the farmer can say they want a particular ratio. So in this one here, they've got 20% nitrogen, 50% phosphorus and 30% potassium. So the farmer has looked at his crop, he's identified that the biggest need is for phosphorus. Okay, remember phosphorus is for healthy roots, so he may have decided that he needs more phosphorus, so the ratio is heavily weighted towards phosphorus with some potassium and a little bit of nitrogen. So farmers can dictate what they actually want in terms of plant minerals. Okay, so that's the end of the short video on plant mineral requirements. If you want to see more of my free science revision videos, so you go to my site at www.sciencerevisionvideo.com, and thank you for watching.